Retail has entered the game as Robinhood starts to bring in crypto and a lot of relistings. We'll break it all down for you guys. We're going to be talking about XRP, Solana, meme coins. You don't want to miss it. My name is Paul Barrow. Welcome back into TechPath. Let's just go right into it. Let's look at the Bitcoin chart today. You're looking at a $91,000 Bitcoin. It clipped over the 92 and then edged up to its high at 93.4. And that is as we're recording right now. So the day is young. We may see another move here for Bitcoin as things start to heat up. A couple of things to take a look at here, guys. I want to go over to a few points to get into. Robinhood, of course, came in, relisted Solana, PEPE, XRP, and Cardano. Many people are looking at it, but this is the first time that XRP has ever come onto Robinhood, so a pretty big deal. We actually pulled a video out on this, and this was us talking about Robinhood going to relist XRP. Just get ready. It was coming. That was 3 months ago. And I think it was just a matter of time. And remember also, if you look at our YouTube channel, you'll also remember this when we were asking, well, wait a minute, why don't we get Robinhood into a crypto roadmap of where they might be going with all of this strategy? And some of the big tokens on there that we asked for relisting were, of course, Solana and XRP, both of which made it over there. All right, so right now I want to jump into PEPE, and of course, this is at its all-time high. Again, this is where the degens start to roll in. That's retail crypto into things like Robinhood, but also on Coinbase. Coinbase is also coming in and starting to say, wait, we'll go with that as well. PEPE is now available for trading on Coinbase. So this is interesting because Coinbase is responding to what Robinhood is doing. And I think this is becoming a little bit of a chase for the retail investor as we start to see all of this starting to pile into the market. And that's where I think we're going to be going. I want to go to a clip real quick because this is Vlad. He's going to go into a little more detail on what's coming. Take a look.
Innovation might actually come through.
And is that innovation, you think, related? I mean, we keep looking at Bitcoin as sort of a proxy for all of this, but I would think the true beneficiaries of this should be just about all of the other cryptocurrencies, if you will, and some of the other crypto efforts, given that they're the ones that may turn out to be true currencies that you might use to buy a coffee, given that I'm not sure you're going to buy a coffee with Bitcoin, but maybe I'm wrong.
So stablecoin adoption abroad has overtaken Visa by some measures. 24-hour trading is just undeniable. I mean, it costs us roughly an order of magnitude less to operate a cryptocurrency business and offer the exchange of assets than it does on the TradFi side. That advantage is undeniable.
How much do you think the run in your stock is a function of just more trading in crypto?
You know, the stock price is nice and everything, but it's a lagging indicator. We're also not done. I think there's a lot more work to do, and we're working our way there.
I do want to go into a comparison here that I think is interesting, and that is if you were trading Doge on Robinhood, this gives you an example of what you might receive, which is why we're starting to see Robinhood climb the charts in terms of I shouldn't say tokens, but apps that are starting to get very popularized out there on the download charts. And of course, Coinbase #1 and Robinhood #2. This is in all of finance. All of finance. That's Cash App right below it, PayPal, Crypto.com. Most likely you're going to see Fidelity and those like there jumping in below it. So this is a big deal, guys, because this could be the beginning of what could be an explosive uptrend here in crypto. So keep watching very closely. One thing to note on Robinhood is these are the supported tokens that you can send and receive on. So as you'll notice, there's not all of them are not listed like Solana and XRP. One other note right here is USDC is not available for trading in New York or Texas. This will make some sense here in a second as we get into a little bit further in the video. I want to go to a clip real quick because this will get you into a little bit more of an alignment of where this may be going with Ripple. And Ripple is very important here because this could be playing into Ripple being the stable coin on Robinhood. Take a look.
We talk about, Ripple, and, we've processed more than $70 billion through digital assets. And so this use case is going to be a massive trend, and there's going to be more needs in the market for more stable coins. And, from our perspective, we have the use case. We have customers who already want to use stablecoins and payments. So we think that we can be a great provider.
Do you expect the market to expand, compete with these two stablecoins to break into their existing client base?
I expect the market to really expand. So the Ripple US dollar, not yet launched. We're operationally ready, but really important to us is having approval from the regulators. So New York Department of Financial Services is, it's up to them. They're reviewing our trust application.
And when do you see that coming through?
It's going to be in their hands in terms of when they are approving it.
All right, so kind of read between the lines. It's very possible we could see New York approve that for XRP, and if for Ripple, and if that does happen, then they could actually beat USDC to the punch here in terms of, especially on Robinhood. And again, this could be taking advantage of a big move with what Robinhood is doing around retail investors. Further, if you look at this, remember Trump's agenda for the crypto industry. One of the things that he is fostering right there, stablecoin and digital tokens that are pegged to the dollar. Maybe XRP is set for an explosion. There's a lot of other things that are happening along with this. Ripple CEO confirms a meeting with Donald Trump. What's going on there? Also, you got to look at some things that are happening internally. And this is Brad Carlinghouse in a little bit of a bromance there with Charles Hoskinson of Cardano. Could Cardano be in the position of bringing RLUSD on as the stable token in lieu of USDC? Because this has been the big knock on Cardano for a long time. No stable coin available. That could really change things quickly for Cardano as well as Ripple as well. You look here, Elon, of course, is just getting very, very degen. And some of his tweets are kind of interesting. He's putting Doge now in the designs here. I thought that was kind of interesting. He also says, I think that flat inflation of Dogecoin, which means decreasing percentage inflation, is a feature, not a bug. So he's now out there pumping meme tokens again. And then again, I love this one as well. America was saved by a squirrel and a meme coin. And of course, he's talking about the Doge. Other things that are happening, Peanut Squirrel, I'm sorry that if I had said that, Peanut the Squirrel, Peanut joins the $1 billion meme club. That's right, guys. These are $1 billion meme tokens. Just so everybody is aware, when you get into meme tokens, understand that that's crypto gambling at its highest level. So fully understand that anytime you put any kind of money into meme tokens, you could lose it all very easily, very easily. So just understand that going forward. A lot of things happening, though, within the meme scape of XRP land. And if you look at XRP market, this is a good example of one of the tokens that's out there, one of the meme tokens, Drop, which is, I think, 1 or 2, maybe number 2 right now on the meme tokens. One thing to note right here, like on XRP market, is you can only use XRP to trade these tokens. So, and we're going to show you a handful of places where you can do this. Granted, be ready to lose all your money and understand that. But the point being is that you use XRP right now. The likelihood is that this will start to flow into, I think, more activity, very similar to what happened on Phantom. And here's another one. This is just another one that plays on the whole idea of meme tokens. This is Ripple's. Further into this is one of the places that you can go to take a look at this. This is First Ledger. This is just a quick, market cap list. I'll look at those. There's Drop, that number 2 token right there that we just looked at. And then, of course, right here is Magnetic. This is another spot where you can go in. Again, moving XRP into these platforms to be able to trade on some of these meme tokens. So just understand how that works. This right here is another tool set that you can use in connecting a wallet. So let's say that you guys have a physical wallet, maybe something like a Tangem, and you want to be able to connect that. Well, there's ways that you can connect all of the dots here and still be able to trade a lot of these meme platforms. One example right here is Xiamen Wallet, which is a software wallet that's connecting to a hardware tool. I know this is getting crazy, but the idea is if you're in meme tokens, you understand a lot of what we're talking about right now. But you can get the Tangem wallet for Xiamen, and of course, Xiamen being one of the Ripple wallets out there to use around these meme tokens. So check it out. Here's the Xiamen wallet right here. They're going to be doing a gold card as a holiday promotion. So if you're going to be a lucky one, there's going to be 2 gold Tangem cards based on your orders. And you do that within the Xiamen app. So you get the Xiamen app. That's going to enable you to use XRP to trade meme tokens. You can use your Tangem wallet to also be able to fund it, do things like that. So it makes it kind of a flow through. Think of it as a bank account being able to use to get into this. If you guys do want to check out Tangem, they are a partner of the channel. Just go over to tangem.com. It's very easy. And when you hit that little Get Tangem button, you can go in and do all sorts of things, including getting these limited editions. This is one of them right here on Bitcoin, but there's a slew of them that are available on limited edition. That's the black a limited edition available, but use our link and code and you'll get a little bit of a discount there going forward. All right, so let's go into other things. This is going to get into XRP holders still trading as though ETF is a sure thing. And that's something we've talked about with several people on the show about XRP being the next potential ETF. I think it's going to happen. I think it's just a matter of time. Let me go to a clip here. This is kind of, we'll piece this together here for a second, but this is Jensen Huang. This is the CEO of NVIDIA, and he's talking about don't sell early. Now, I'm not saying that, but he says that in this clip. Take a look.
Only entrepreneur, only innovator in the world that has selected the winner and partnered with the winner in every single generation. It was Masa that brought Bill Gates to Japan. It was Masa that made possible for China's cloud industry to happen, Alibaba. It was Masa that brought Steve Jobs to Japan and the iPhone. At one point, Masa was the largest shareholder of NVIDIA. Yes. Oh. It's okay. Could you imagine if today you were the largest shareholder? Oh my God. So Masa said, Jensen, the market does not understand the value of NVIDIA. Your future is incredible.
Yes.
But the market doesn't understand it.
That was 10 years ago.
Your journey of suffering will continue for some time. So, let me give you the money to buy NVIDIA. He wanted to lend me money to buy NVIDIA, all of it. Now I regret not taking it.
All right, so that's, billionaires being billionaire boys out there. But the point that they're getting at is selling early when you don't necessarily recognize where this is going. All right, so in the clip I just played, that of course is the SoftBank lead. It's kind of interesting there, but the point being is they're getting active in other areas. So SoftBank now supporting a crypto exchange. That's a move. We're also going to see things like this right here, which is where Ripple is partnering with SoftBank and leading $800 million funding round for Revolut, which could become another digital bank, neobank. This is mostly a European bank. And then, of course, right here, Ripple lawsuit appoints an ex-SoftBank director as head of public policy. So you can kind of start to see very interesting alignment here around these strategies going forward. I want to go to a chart here real quick because this gets into social dominance and data on this. And Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then also XRP is now like number 3 here. And this, of course, is big on TikTok. And it showcases what could be coming in right now. I want to go to a clip real quick to play this out.
And I've been holding this crypto token for over 5 years. XRP has not hit a new all-time high in 7 years.
Is there discussion about a collaboration between Cardano, XRP Ripple, and the US government?
If they use XRP, you guys know where the number is headed.
But our clients don't want a city token or another bank token. What they want is cross-bank, cross-border liquidity.
Staking is coming very soon to the XRP ledger.
Come late January, February, you're going to see this entire population going that way.
If XRP just breaks its all-time high, $3.84, that's $600, and actually going to turn in $3,840.
200 days to do 55, 30 days to do 60.
Like I said, higher highs, lower lows.
And Dogecoin is just getting started.
December of 2022. This was coming out of a bear market. Look at the little Santa Claus hats. This is around December, Christmas area 2023. Look.
XRP is going to fucking pump 100%. Not only that, when Gary Gensler gets fired, XRP is going to fucking rip.
All right, guys. So obviously this is just having fun. So don't take recommendations from the guy in the hot tub saying that Gensler's going to get fired, even though I think he's probably going to get fired. Let's move on over, because the point being is that there's a lot of pent-up demand for XRP. I think everybody knows that. And the other point is that its timing is very interesting. Stablecoin, market is hitting, meme tokens, all of this is happening at the same time. So just get ready. I think we're going to see some interesting stuff. All right, so I want to jump over to Solana. There's 3 things that I want to kind of hit on, and that is the theme of these meme tokens, why these are important, why it starts to move the markets like that. This is just an example of Bonk. Remember, Bonk was the first one on the Solana Saga phone. That really kind of created the idea of airdrops. They were really the first one that did it efficiently, and it blew up the Solana Saga phone. You look at some of the other tokens that are also out there on Solana, Dog with Hat. This is WIF, now going on and being listed on Coinbase. This is happening, literally happening today. So we're seeing another big pump on WIF going up. Also, don't forget Mu. This is, of course, is cat in a dog world. Now, why call it cat in a dog's world? Don't forget, why is all this important? Remember the whole point. I love that Bruce Lee piece right there. But the point is that all of this pretty much paid for your Solana phone. And this was the Seeker phone that got you into the all of the assets that were airdropped in. And of course, right now, if you bought that phone, you're already up. In other words, the phone's paid for itself and it's giving you money now. So go check it out if you haven't already. You can get the Solana Seco. I think they're still pre-ordering them right now, shipping in 2025. This will be a really cool device. If this actually ever ships, you know, like other devices that have been out there that have never shipped, but I'm really watching for this one. All right, we're going to have a lot more for you guys this week. The market is absolutely heated up right now. Remember, it is still very early. I think retail has not yet got the memo. So be on the lookout, and also be very cautious on how you're making some of these trades. If you are going to the meme, expect to lose everything on meme tokens. I'm just going to say that right now. It is a dangerous place to play. So it's just one of those things to watch out for. If you're not following us on the Diamond Circle, make sure and get in there. It's very easy. Drop in right now. Get in our email list. We drop additional content, more podcasts, all that available to you that doesn't come here on YouTube. Follow me on X, and that's just at Paul Barron. We'll catch you next time right here on Tech Bath.